Hey everyone. So it's been a little bit since I did any recording whatsoever. I took a couple weeks off due to some medical issues, and now I'm back on. First off, I wanted to give a big thank you to everyone for helping this channel hit 2,000 subscribers, and I do have a personal finance video I plan to get out sooner rather than later. Also, a big thank you to everyone that subscribed from Cam Sandwich's YouTube channel. I'm still trying to find the best way to ease back into the beer money track, and I plan to do that by following up an experimental segment with another experimental segment about what's going on in beer money apps. There are a few segments I'm going to try over the summer and see how you all like it. This is one of them. You already know about the other one, the math behind being another. Once I get enough information for a beer money app or even a non-beer money related topic, I'll do a video on one of those. And I want to start a new series called Beer Money Roundtable, where I bring in some names you might know from Beer Money Mania and a few others to talk about certain beer money topics. If you all like these, I'll probably start making this a monthly thing and even add the news jingle and everything with it. This channel has grown to a point now I want to try new things and eventually calcify into a monthly schedule that everyone can expect from this channel by the end of the summer. And around August, I'll revisit this topic and see where we come up with. If you're a new subscriber and haven't checked around, one, if you like any of these apps and want to download them, I got referral codes below in the description where you can try them. Two, I try to be as legit as I can with these things, so if they're good, they're honestly good, and if they aren't, I try to be the first to let you know about it. And three, if you want to skip listening the YouTube ads before these videos, I don't really blame you. Go ahead and skip them. I really wish we had more legitimate finance ads sometimes. Alright, ready? Here's the beer money news. The title is a work in progress. We will start with the headliner Atlas Earth. Atlas Earth just entered Australia, and they are expected to have minigames sometime this week. The boost tiers and amount that they make will be identical to that of Canada. So far, we got a US tier and an international tier. The next country to get Atlas Earth released to the public will be the UK sometime in September. Next on their roadmap, which can now only be found on their Discord, no longer the website, they plan to release the bowling minigame and create a new feature where you can pay some Atlas bucks to turn any parcel into a legendary. It's likely going to be the topic of our first Beer Money Roundtable, and I will thank our Discord admins Tasty Wallet and Midnight for this idea. The date that we're going to have that roundtable is still up in the air. Bridge Money continues to have issues with narrow cash-out windows, usually no more than 1 to 2 hours on a weekday, and this continues to frustrate some users. They have also revised their referral program from $1 for every member who signs up with a referral code to $5 for every member who signs up with a referral code and finishes rent rewards for the month. And the Earn Plus bonus for referrals is also gone, so it's even worse if you're an Earn Plus member. You're going from only $2 to $5 instead. Basically, this leaves the only Earn Plus benefits remaining down to the video ad doubling, surveys, and credit debit card transactions. I have flash downgraded them from the green tier, their highest rating, to a yellow plus, and if video ads go down at any time, that might go down even further, just a heads up. Swagbucks ended their any item category in the magic receipts. Usually you could get 2 Swagbucks, or roughly 2 cents, for a receipt containing a generic item like bread, butter, lemons, apples, and so on, and you can stack on them. So if you bought a receipt with like bread, apples, lemons, and say, I don't know, chips with it, that's 8 Swagbucks. You could also get 5 Swagbucks or cents for a specific brand like Jell-O or Pringles. These are now gone, and it's rendered their magic receipts to being a slightly better fetch rewards. Also, the Swaggo layout has had a bit of a rearrangement in the last month or so, where buying a gift card from their rewards site earned you the coveted middle square. It has now been moved up to the second row, still in the middle, while the new center square is shop and earn 25 Swagbucks. The upload any receipt also became upload a receipt with a specific product on it, at least in the last Swaggo. They did change that, however, in the current one. I will recommend that if you like cold cut deli turkey, though, if you want to do the magic receipts, there is this 600 Swagbuck deal for 1 pound of the Sara Lee meat at a Walmart. That was actually a real good deal, but for the rest of them, Yeah, there's some serious decreasing returns here, and I'm not really a big fan of it, in my opinion. Especially that upload any receipt. It was for a $20 detergent, and yeah, that's not much of a bonus to make up for it. You can see the figures here. Frisbee has added a couple new ways to earn points in their app. The first one being the same timed games that many will get at the Atlas Arcade. However, it crashes so often, I would suggest not using it. The second is they do pop in a survey every once in a while, and they tend to be pretty easy. It's becoming a bit of a closer decision whether or not it or CoinOut is the better overall receipt app. I guess they will have their reviews sooner rather than later. One issue I will complain about is when putting in receipts with Frisbee, when I go to submit them, it takes me back to a different camera app. Likely their old one? I don't know what's up with that, it could be a bug. And finally, things aren't looking great right now for Rollercoin, as dozens of users have taken to their Twitter account over payments pending for as long as a few months. Rollercoin has mostly stayed the course and continues to talk about celebrating Bitcoin Pizza Day, which happened today, at least as of publishing. For new subscribers, Bitcoin Pizza Day indicates the story of when Bitcoin was first used to buy something, in this case a pizza for 10,000 Bitcoin, and today marks the 14th anniversary of that. I'm also going to downgrade Rollercoin from Amber Plus to Amber Minus due to suspicions of Rollercoin being unable to make payments. If I can confirm that they have been holding out on more than just a few isolated cases, this might lower it to red. Hey everyone, this is a editing update, post-editing update, whatever you want to call it. I just wanted to mention very quickly that Rollercoin did respond yesterday actually regarding pending payments, saying that the system may work longer than usual. So going by that, I guess they're saying that it's still going to take some time to get payments done. However, that is still a little weird that people have been waiting 2-3 months for their payments. I'm still going to say I'm going to stand by the downgrade just because the payments are, having payments of like a week, 2 weeks out, that's one thing. But if you're waiting 2 to 3 months for basically a few Dogecoin or a few Satoshi, that becomes an issue to me. That's like something else is going on. It, again, could be a hunch. I could be completely wrong, and I'm willing to apologize for it if I'm wrong on it. But I'm gonna keep it at Amber Minus for now. But I just wanted to let you all know that no, they have been responding to some of the tweets. All right, moving on. And this is a bit down the line, but I mentioned before that I'm doing a twice-a-year Q&A, and it's almost time. That next Q&A is coming up next month. So if you want to start sending in your questions, now is a great time to do that. And also, I'll be keeping track of more news from more Beer Money apps for next month's updates. So that's pretty much it for this segment. Let me know if you like it. I know this one was rather short. Next month, I plan to do a longer one. Like this video if you like it, dislike it if you don't. Comment which apps you'd like to see me look at in the next Beer Money news. Though I'll hopefully have a better name for it by then. And don't forget to subscribe to Beer Money Engine. Maybe I need a better outro too. I'll figure that out too. In the meantime, if you want to see my last review of an app, take a look at Just Play here on the left. If you want to see the new playlist segment I made called The Math Behind, also another work in progress, it's on the right. Otherwise, I'll see you all next time. Bye, everybody.